My name is Atif Zaheer, and I'm an associate professor in the Department of Radiology at the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine. I'm a body imager, and my specialty is MRI, CT, and ultrasound of the abdomen and pelvis. This serves as the clinical portion of my tripartite role at the department, where I provide subspecialized radiographic interpretations of complex diseases that are referred to our tertiary care medical center. I am the Director of Cross-Sectional Imaging Fellowship, Associate Program Director for Radiology Residency, and the Director for the Distant Learning Program at Johns Hopkins Radiology Department. My research interests include pancreatic imaging, which includes the inflammatory, precancerous, and neoplastic diseases of the pancreas. My role as an educator includes training our future radiologists in the residency program, abdominal imagers in our fellowship program, and providing online training tools to people outside of Hopkins, both within and outside of the United States. Radiologists here at Johns Hopkins are an integral part of the multidisciplinary clinics and work in sync with other clinical specialties. We provide diagnosis and help in determining the course of action for treatment. This passion for medicine is helping us make tremendous strides in clinical sciences, education, and research to better serve humanity. Here in the Department of Radiology, we are committed to providing you with the best medical care.